So right now I am standing with Phil Antis, Arts and Events Administrator for the City of Santa Clarita. Phil, 4th of July 2012 is coming up. There's a lot of events all day. Some are city events, some are not city events. Can you run down what's going on for 4th of July?
Sure. Just like every year, we have a wonderful array of events. It kicks off in the morning with the Rotary Breakfast, which starts at 6:30 in the morning on Main Street in Old Town Newhall. And then we have a series of runs that are done by the local Santa Clarita Runners Club. At 7 o'clock is a 10K, at 7:45 is a Kid K, and at 8 o'clock is the 5K. They're wonderful events, and you have a chance to run along as part of the parade route, so you have great cheering going on. And then the 4th of July parade, a tradition since, I believe, the 30s, starts at 9 a.m., and it runs along Main Street to Lyons Avenue to Orchard Village up to 16th. So there's great viewing in all those locations, particularly Main Street, which is where it starts. Everybody's fresh and alive there, so it's a great place to start. And then we culminate the day with fireworks at the Westfield Valencia Town Center, and those start at about 9:15, and they're shot from what they call the market garage, from one of the garages. But basically anywhere in the mall or the surrounding areas are wonderful viewing sites for the fireworks.
And what are some viewing tips for those that want to go to the Westfield Valencia Town Center? What time should they arrive? What can they bring? What road closures are they going to be?
Well, we do a full road closure of McBean between Valencia and Magic Mountain, and that starts at about 7 o'clock, and that's required for the fall zone because we're right next to that. Both Valencia Boulevard and Magic Mountain Parkway go down to one lane at about 7:30. So my recommendation is to get there before 7:30 for sure while the roads are still open. Enjoy some time with your neighbors, hang out until the 9:15 show, and then just keep in mind it's going to take you a while to get out of there. That many people gathered in one part of town, it just takes a while. And we actually have to do an inspection before we can open certain areas up to let cars through. So I know it takes a while to get out of there, but just be patient, enjoy your time with your neighbors, and it's really anywhere in that area of town is great. The various malls, not just the town center, but all the areas around it, even some of the park sites like Bridgeport, you can still see the fireworks from.
Okay. Phil, I want to thank you for joining us. There you go, a breakdown of activities for 2012 4th of July. For more information, you can go to the city's website, santa-clarita.com, or you can go to the parade site at scvparade.com.